I'm going to show here foam rolling of the adductor or the inner thigh. This can be helpful to release some tension that people can feel on the inside of the leg or up into the groin area. It's not a panacea, but for some people it can be really helpful. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the roller. Setup is a little weird here because we got to get access this inner thigh. So I'm going to have this roller kind of at an angle here, and then my leg is going to come up across it like that. And then I'm going to add my body weight. What I want to do is move reasonably slow up and down the thigh, but then also moving my body up and down in this plane, so that way I get some of the roller moving across the muscle tissue. The muscle runs from your knee up to your hip longitudinally, and so we want to roll along its length, but also across its length. I can come all the way from close to the knee, blending in with the quad, all the way up, and this is important, all the way up to close to the groin. So this is where the muscle becomes really tendinous, meaning it starts to kind of thicken and get narrower as it goes to attach to the bone. And that's often where we get some of the discomfort or pain. So as I get up here, I'm also going to add some hip motion. So moving my foot up and down, which is rotating my hip, getting me rolling over different aspects. Again, I want to just release some tension, so to aid in that effort, I'm going to try to inhale, exhale, not breathe too deep. So that way each exhale, I'm trying to relax some tension. So give that a shot. Typically like to follow this up with some type of hip and glute stabilization exercise. So we release and then we stabilize. So we have a ton of those on the channel, but that's foam rolling the adductors.